Hi, welcome to a video tutorial from NYBot. In this video we are going to use TI-34 scientific calculator to use Op1 and Op2 stored operations with this calculator. This video is part of a full video manual for this calculator. The link to watch that video is below this video in the description. Let's have a look at the stored operation, or OP. This calculator has two buttons here, OP1, OP2, and at the bottom it has setup OP1, setup OP2. TI-34 can store two operations and you can recall them easily. You can enter number, operations, or menu. The operations always come after the value you have on the screen. So this is important. Let's set up Op1 second function. The op with the second function is set up. Now we want to multiply by 2 plus 3 and enter. Now this has been set up, clear. To use it, let's say you want to use 6 with the op1. As soon as I put it, 6 times 2, 12 plus 3, 15. For this you don't need to press the enter button. Now let's set up op2, second function op2, and just say times 10, whatever is the value, times 10. Clear to exit. To use it, 5 op2, 5 times 2 is 10. Now this shows 50. Now let's solve this problem. It says Harry's father will pay him $15 per week if he helps out a few hours at his family's grocery store. Harry would like to save all he earns to buy several of his favorite books and video games. He estimates that he will need to earn $240 to buy everything he would like to have. Create a table of Harry's weekly earnings to see how his saving will grow. How many weeks will Harry need to work to save enough money for his purchases, So first let's set it up as an op1. Press second function op1, press clear to clear it, and then plus 15. That is the number that he is earning. Press equal or enter to exit. Now clear. Now let's do 0 and op1. So if I press op1 again, it shows N2. In second week he will earn 30. We will press this op1 until we see 240 here. So I'm not worried to count it because it's counting it for me. 150 and 60 and 95 to 10 and 225 to 40. So in 16 weeks, each table line shows Harry's weekly earning as it grows. From the table we can read that Harry will have to work 16 weeks to earn $240. Thank you for watching. This was the full video instruction manual for this TI-34 Multiview scientific calculator. Please thumb up the video and also please subscribe to my channel. I appreciate it. If you have comment or question, post it at the comment section below. I try to answer and reply. If you want to purchase this calculator, the affiliated links are below this video. If you purchase it, I will get some commission. It will help me. Thank you.